Hey, it's Ben. I've got this map for working on your car. Company sent this to me to make a video, so let's get it out and test it out, see what we think. Okay, so this mat comes folded up in a storage bag, so it's easy to get out and just unfold and lay on the ground. Now, this idea is just so really smart. The mat is sewn in a loop, so all you do is lay it out in front of the car where you need to access it. Then you lay down on the mat and just use your legs to slide yourself under. The mat will slide right along with you, allowing you to sort of scoot yourself under the car. And then when you're done, you just back yourself back out again. So here's a close look at the mat. They say it's easy to clean. I haven't tested that out yet. I can't say if it's waterproof, but the material sure does look like it will just be easy to wipe it up with a cloth, get drips and dirt on it. You can see inside is a bit more slick, allowing the sliding motion. The outside is it's just a nice, slightly padded, quilted material. It's decently comfortable to lay on, but much better than concrete. Overall, it's a nice step up from an old piece of cardboard, which I usually use. You can fold it up and carry it along with you for roadside or unexpected issues. So it's a nice product. I'm glad to have it in my garage. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.